Whoop 5.0 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 are both premium wearables, but they serve different goals. Whoop has no screen, focuses on health optimization, and gives personalized feedback on recovery, strain, and sleep. It's light, distraction free, and subscription based. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is packed with features: GPS, driving mode, cellular connectivity, and full smartwatch functions. It tracks workouts, sleep, and health metrics, but also supports apps, phone calls, and notifications. Ultra 2 is rugged, has longer battery life than other Apple Watches, but not as long as Whoop's 5-day runtime. If you want a screenless, recovery first tracker, Whoop is better. If you need a powerful smartwatch that does everything, Ultra 2 dominates.